What's up guys, Skyberry's here to tell you about the Rebel ruXus. The ruXus is for enthusiasts who enjoy simplicity and a streamlined, high-speed approach to capturing epic FPV content. The ruXus's compact design allows for tight speed runs down mountain chutes, and this drone can take a mountain tumble. With 10mm thick carbon fiber arms and a focus on repair simplicity, you can count on the confidence to fly tighter lines, increase your range, and further your journey to become a more skilled and competent pilot. Rebel's goal is to help you save time and headache. ruXus comes pre-built with everything you need to get flying. Or, if you're like me and you enjoy building your own, we provide detailed, step-by-step build guides to ensure you have a hassle-free experience, saving you time and money. The ruXus is fully customizable to fit your needs and has a host of accessories. If you're looking to dodge trees and fly peaks, follow the link in the description and pick up your Rebel ruXus today.